Individual is arrested for DUI, they come into my office and they go, well, I blew over the legal limit or I submitted a urine or blood sample, and there's not only going to be alcohol, but there potentially could be drugs in my system. Well, does that mean that you're automatically going to be found guilty of DUI? The answer is no. The first thing in any analysis that an experienced DUI attorney is going to look at is, was the traffic stop, the reason an individual was pulled over, legal? An officer has to follow the Constitution, the Fourth Amendment. Did they have a legal reason to pull them over? Oftentimes we see with DUI cases is that an officer will essentially follow a vehicle for a few minutes, waiting for that vehicle to commit some form of civil traffic infraction, like a speeding, maybe running a red light, going over the stop sign, crossbar. But the most common one that we get in DUI cases is that the car was weaving or wasn't able to maintain a single lane of traffic while it was driving. The good news is most cars, police cars, have traffic cameras or dashboard cameras. And those dashboard cameras oftentimes will capture the basis for the traffic stop. They'll capture the driving of our client. We have many times filed what's known as a motion to suppress based on an illegal traffic stop, where when we view the video, it's clear that the officer just looked at one little thing. Maybe an individual slightly crossed the line and then it was able to correct itself and drive in a normal manner. That's not enough to pull over an individual. And then even if that individual turns out to be impaired, their entire case can be thrown out based on an illegal traffic stop. That's why it's important that in the event you are arrested for DUI, and even if your breath sample was above the legal limit or you have something illicit in your system, it's important to hire an attorney to see if there's a potential that the officer did not have a legal basis to even stop your vehicle. Because if that occurs, that can lead to your case being dismissed or potentially reduced to a lesser charge, which ultimately will benefit you in the long run moving forward.